Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you exactly how to change your passcode on Telegram. Whether you're updating your privacy settings or just want a fresh start with a new code, this tutorial will help you get it done in just a few moments. So, grab your phone and follow along. First, open the Telegram app on your device. It doesn't matter if you're using Android or iPhone, the steps are almost identical. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon in the top left corner. Depending on your device, it might appear as 3 horizontal lines or simply your profile picture. Give it a tap to open your main navigation menu. From there, scroll down and select Settings. Inside the Settings page, look for the option that says Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram stores all the tools to manage your privacy preferences, including your passcode settings. Next, scroll until you see the section called Passcode Lock. Tap on it. If you already have a passcode enabled, you'll see the option to change passcode. Tap that, and Telegram will ask you to enter your current code before creating a new one. Now, type in your new passcode. Choose something easy enough for you to remember, but strong enough that no one else could guess it. After you enter it once, Telegram will ask you to confirm it by typing it again. When both entries match, your passcode is officially updated. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Telegram passcode. A new layer of privacy is now protecting your chats, calls, and account information. It's a simple step, but it goes a long way in keeping your personal messages safe. If this guide helped you, make sure to share it with someone who might need the same quick walkthrough. Thanks for watching.